Yuck. I wondered where you were. I was looking for you. I thought you were missing. What you doing down there? Come on, back in the barn. Everyone wants your food, huh? Hold on, let me do it. Hey, you won't get enough if you stop, if you don't stop interfering. Hey, your breakfast in bed? They're so noisy out there. Happy Easter Sunday. Good boy. Yesterday's rain, over 5 inches. It didn't stop. Hasn't really stopped raining for the past like 3 days, but an enormous amount of rain. It's been horrible. The plants seem to like it. Got a few more peas I can pick. Won't be long before all the fruity stuff goes outside. The tomatoes for sure. I picked up a few more sweet potato slips. I'm just going to put them in this bed with these carrots because I usually have really good success with sweet potatoes. So I'm going to add more. And who doesn't like sweet potatoes? Really? They're so easy. Just put them in the ground and forget about them. I'll be in good company with the carrots too. Did you take my trash? Too hot, huh? It's not even warm today. Why are you always scratching? Well, I definitely don't need to water these because we've had 3 days of torrential rain, but the strawberries love it, so that's great. Got a few that didn't make it, but that's okay. It's not like I'm short on strawberry plants. These planters that I'm amending, and I'm gonna plant cherry tomatoes in them, have suddenly come to life with the seeds that I'd put in them. So there's some kale, some chard. That was doing really well. Some little snacks. It's funny. That one's doing really well. That's okay. I'll leave them in when I put the tomato plants in, which won't be for maybe 3 or 4 more days, because last night we had like 39 degrees, 40 degrees temperatures overnight. We're going to have the same again tonight and tomorrow, so that's not fun, but hopefully that's our last cold dip. This might even be a radish, and I don't remember planting that, but let's pull it up and have a look. Oh, it's probably going to be disappointingly small when I get all the soil off it. Oh, a little radish. That's cool. It's got really great roots on it. I'm going to dry some of this oregano this week because I have lots of it. It's looking really good. So I'm going to take some of that inside and get that dried. Now I know I need to reseed this bed because I caught the chickens in it. So I'm going to put some more seeds in here and then really chicken wire it. But yeah, that's disappointing. But it's okay, I got plenty of seeds. The strawberries in the bale are doing fine. I added more soil. They survived the frost. They're doing great. And the ducks haven't found them, so that's good. These nasturtiums can go outside when I get a hanging planter ready for them, because these are trailing and I want them to trail off the porch railing. A couple more, these are ground cherries. And some more ground cherries. And the cucumber melons, they're a bit slow. Looks like everything needs a little bit of water. Some more tomatoes. These must be the Brandywine variety because they have potato shaped leaves. And these are shishito peppers, which I'm thrilled about, so I'm going to really baby these. More tomato seedlings. These are the ones that are going out in the beds. These are doing great. They're okay for now. I want to get them out in the sunshine at some point, see if I can kickstart more growing. I saw poppies here a while ago and they're finally coming up. I thought the dogs had run all over them. That'd be cool. Nice splash of orange colour. I was up here checking my mushroom logs and I found that they're growing again already. They're so cool. Are you on your way to lay me an egg? Go ahead. Go lay me an egg. Hi, mister. Hi, mister. Those chicks are noisy, huh? Hi. Thank you for the rubs. nature. Really pleased. Now I get to sit and look at the view. Dexy. Dexy. Dexter. Should we go on an Easter egg hunt? Me and you? You want to go on an egg hunt? Yeah? You're going to carry the basket? You carry it? No? I'll do it then. There's nothing in it yet. Let's go find the eggs. Hey Buffy, I was on an egg hunt. We're on an egg hunt, huh? There's one. Look, it fits just there. Got an egg. Hi girlfriend. Can I have a look and see if you've got any eggs? Are you waiting? Are you waiting for an egg? Hey, good boy. You want an egg? You can have my only egg so far. He's a good boy. I'll come back then, lady. You take your time. You got your egg? You're going to take care of it. You're going to take care of it. I gotta find a cover for this, a little blanket or something, shower curtain or something to cover it up, because if you have chickens at all and you leave anything out, you know it's going to get covered in poop, and then you go to sit down on it and you can't. So I'm going to find something to cover this up. Alright, back to egg collecting. Oh, how many? Tomorrow's in the morning. So noisy.